If you're looking for the best tool deals at Lowe's this week, you're in the right place. This video covers the best Lowe's tool deals for the week of December 8th, including current prices, value breakdowns, and direct links so you can check availability and grab the deal while it lasts. These are some of the strongest discounts we see during December, with major savings on power tool combos, batteries, mechanics toolsets, storage, and essential accessories. Let's get right into it. DeWALT tool deals. DeWALT 20 volts max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit. Price: $149. What you get: drill, impact driver, 2 batteries, charger, bag. Why it's a deal: one of the best starter kits for homeowners and DIYers. DeWALT PowerPack starter kit plus free tool promotion. Price: $449. Includes batteries, charger plus 3 free DeWALT tools. Why it's a deal: massive value if you're expanding a DeWALT platform. DeWALT 20 volts max XR circular saw. Price: $129. Why it's a deal: XR performance at a reduced holiday price. Kobalt tool deals. Kobalt 24 volts brushless 4 tool combo kit plus 2 free tools. Price: $249. Includes drill, impact driver, saw, light plus free tools. Why it's a deal: outstanding value for serious DIYers. Kobalt 24 volts lithium-ion battery, 2.0 Ah. Price: $19.98. Why it's a deal: one of the lowest battery prices all year. Kobalt mechanics toolset, 300 plus piece. Price: $99. Why it's a deal: ideal for garage, auto repair, or home use. Craftsman tool deals. Craftsman V20 cordless drill kit. Price: $69. Why it's a deal: affordable cordless power tool for everyday projects. Craftsman V20 impact driver kit. Price: $79. Why it's a deal: strong torque at a budget-friendly price. Craftsman mechanics toolset, 230 piece. Price: $99. Why it's a deal: great all-in-one kit for home and auto. Tool storage and organization deals. Kobalt 3-drawer steel toolbox. Price: $39. Why it's a deal: strong steel build, great for smaller collections. Craftsman rolling tool chest. Price: $299. Why it's a deal: solid storage solution at a seasonal discount. Accessories and under -$50 deals. Bosch drill and driver bit set, 40 piece. Price: $19.98. Why it's a deal: high quality bits at a budget price. Air compressor, pancake style, select models. Price: starting at $99. Why it's a deal: essential tool for nail guns and inflation tasks. Shopping tips for this week: always check local store availability, because pricing can vary by location. Look for free tool promotions, which usually offer the highest value. If you're building a tool system, stick to one battery platform to save money long-term. You can always find current listings on Lowe's weekly ad, tool savings, and deals pages. Final thoughts: this week's Lowe's tool deals offer excellent value across DeWALT, Kobalt, and Craftsman. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or buying tools for the first time, prices change quickly during December, so if you see a deal you like, it's best to grab it before it's gone. If you enjoy weekly tool deal breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which deal you're picking up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.